Hello, this is Chris from Palatech, and on this video we are going to learn how to change the comment submit options and approval using the WordPress platform. To do that, we need to go to Settings, Discussion, and we are going to have a number of options here. We have the default article settings that will allow people to post comment on new articles, and the other comment settings that it will allow us to demand the comment author to fill out name and email, to make it register and log in to comment, and close the comment on a time deadline, show the comments cookies, enable the thread to be nested, break the comment on pages, and here is the thing. We can be emailed whenever anyone posts a comment or a comment is held for moderation. And before a comment appears, we are going to check the comment must be approved manually, and we are going to check the comment author must have previously approved comments. In this manner, all the comments that are right on our posts and pages will have to be approved to be shown by the admin, in this case us. So that's it. We have changed the submit options and approval of our site. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on the sites. See you the next time on Palatech.